these Clown Spotted Leporinus are absolutely gorgeous fish. Hi everyone, welcome back to our little UK fish room. Today we have an unboxing of 5 different species from Trop in the UK, which is one of our biggest stores. Been looking forward to these. Mrs. Aquadiction has checked them and they are still alive.
Yes, they're all fine and dandy.
Check out the first bag.
Yep.
So 2 of the species will be going into our main aquarium. I mentioned this in our fish room tour the other day.
Numero 1.
Alright, so what we got here? Clown Leporinus. I don't know if the light's very out of focus. Let's try. Yeah. Look good, look healthy. Cool. Get them in an aquarium and show you how they look. We're not going to be putting them into our main aquarium until we've quarantined them. After the nightmare we've been having with white spot at the minute. So these are banded Leproidness. So these would be good to have in a main aquarium. There's a lot of possibly wrong information on YouTube about banded Leproidness being super aggressive. I've had them before. They weren't that aggressive. I mean, obviously, if you're going to put them in aquariums with animals or something, yeah, you're going to lose them. But if you carefully research your tank mates, you should be fine. Hopefully, that's the plan. We'll be able to show you. These are the Black Ruby Barbs for the as divers. Or we may put them in with the rain barbs. Not sure yet. Yeah, cool. All look good. They'll look better when we get them in the quarantine aquarium. So we've got some Corydoras. These are the Julii Corydoras. You didn't really want them, did you, babe?
No. They're alright though.
I think they're cool. And the last one, another Corydoras, which Mrs. Aquadiction's not too happy about.
It's only because I wanted the Sans Corys. This is an alternative.
The Bandit Corydoras. Very similar to the Sans Corydoras. Unfortunately, we could not get the Sans Corydoras, so okay, let's get them in an aquarium and show you how they look in some nice lighting. We've left the fish overnight to recover their colours, and I've got to be completely honest, these Clown Spotted Leporinus are absolutely gorgeous fish. From what we understand, these guys can reach 20 centimetres in length and will develop a much more intense yellow body coloration than they're currently showing. We're very much looking forward to seeing these grown up and seeing them as fully developed adults. So that's the Clown Spotted Leporinus. Next is the banded Leporinus. These are the Leporinus affinis, not the Leporinus fasciatus, which, if you watch many YouTube videos, they're considered to be the devil incarnate. Unfortunately, these seem to put most people off all types of Leporinus, which is a real shame, as there's several species of Leporinus which can make beautiful larger additions to any well-researched aquarium, as we found out of our striped and strawberry Leporinus. These are obviously juvenile at the moment. It's interesting to note they have a black line running through the body which will disappear as they age. Again, these will turn a vibrant deep yellow colour and can reach a max size of 30 centimetres apparently. Bring it on. The Corydoras and the Black Ruby Barbs seems to be doing okay so far. Black Ruby Barbs aren't coloured up, as this will only come as they age. They're definitely an underrated fish. I think more people would have them if they weren't so common, but especially once they're fully matured. And the Julii Corydoras all look good so far, touch wood. That takes our Corydoras up to 11 species of Corydoras in the fish room so far. Hopefully you're going to be getting some gold lasers and white smarnie at some point. But the stars of the show are definitely the Leporinus, specifically the Clown Spotted Leporinus. Absolutely can't wait to get them in here with the other Leproidness. But no rush, not going to risk any disease, especially now we've just managed to get rid of the white spot in there. So anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have your minds changed about Leproidness. And we'll see you in the next one, I guess.
Thanks for watching.